Okay guys, sorry my mic was off then, but I'm really sorry. Uh we already have a hitbox. So sorry that my mic was a little bit off. Was off a little bit. But I'm sorry, but I hope you followed with the tutorial. I'm sorry that my mic was off a little bit. Okay, so now that we have this, okay, I might have done something wrong. Okay, why is this? I hope you just still followed with the tutorial. I'm sorry that my mic was off. But I hope you followed with the tutorial. Okay, what is this glitch? What's happening? Okay, don't worry, that's just my computer. It sometimes just glitch like that. Okay, this is what you want to do now. Scratch cat in a box like you've never seen him before. Nah, not really. Okay. So, position, hitbox, X position, Y. So, and he's just gonna be there. So if we just go here, see, he's gonna stay there, but we want him to follow forever. So, Scratch cat like you've never seen him before. Scratch cat in the box. I got that joke from Good Patch. Please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Okay, now moving on. You want to point in direction of the hitbox. Okay. Now we can just. Oh, you guys caught me, but switch costume. Well, costume number, and I think that should be it. We don't want me to. We don't want that to show, so we have a hitbox now. Okay. So you see, we need a thumbnail. Make a thumbnail. Just make a thumbnail. I'm just gonna make this. Wait, I'm using episode 2 because why not? Just set this. No. You don't have to name it that, cause just I'm doing a tutorial. Well, I'll name it this. From a game tutorial. Okay. Okay, okay. You, not that's the dumbest way to make a thumbnail. You could just make it like this. Set to timer. It's gonna cut up forever loops. Uh, I'm sorry that I burped. Please don't kill. Da 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 da. Okay, so I think that's the end of our tutorial series. Now, app final 3. Ugh. 3. Now we are done. Thanks for watching. Now we have a platformer game in working with a working thumbnail, and I'll see you guys probably in another Scratch tutorial. But I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye. I don't really know how to do this, so if you're a really smart coder, you can do this. Well, bye bye, I guess. Bye.